Hi, is there any limit keyword in Microsoft SQL? The answer is no. There is no limit keyword in Microsoft SQL. It is a frequently used keyword limit in other formats of SQL like Oracle, MySQL, whereas in Microsoft SQL, MS SQL, no such keyword called limit. For example, if you take select from table name, say for example there is a query like this, okay, and you write select from table name, for example order by, say order by a column called country, okay, so far it works fine, no problem. Now for example, a regular basic format of the query after order by, we use limit n in general, okay, regular SQL basics. For example, limit 2, and you see the error. What's the alternative? Firstly, let's understand the main purpose of limit in regular SQL queries to fetch or to report only particular number of rows. But it's not supported in MS SQL. What's the limit? What's the alternative then? Yes, the alternative is top. Top, for example, you would like to say star 2, this one gives you first 2 rows. You would like to have the report of all data except first 2. Then we use offset 2 rows. Okay, so here we are having top to limit only particular n number of rows. You wanted to have the opposite of top, means except top you want remaining, then it is offset 2 rows. And same way we can also write fetch next 1 row only, gives you next row. Or for example fetch next, for example 3 rows only. So here the alternative for limit is offset, and the alternative for limit is offset with fetch next n row, fetch next n rows. So there are 3 different alternatives for limit: offset n rows, offset n rows fetch next 1 row only, or offset n rows fetch next m rows only. These 3 are the alternatives for limit keyword. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.